have another sunny day. Hopefully a little bit of melting. We got down to 15 last night. Morris is past ready to go out of the bathroom and back outside, but I'm gonna let it warm up just a little bit more before I release him. And hopefully the driveway melts some today. That would be good. You can see where Dawn did the cement. So we could get out if we needed to. Probably not going anywhere today. Got just a couple of Valentine's decorating things inside to do. Don't think I can get around to the outside flags today. Not all of them. I mean, obviously I could get to some of them, but I'd rather do them all at once, I think. Dawn did the bird bath, bird feeders, and stuff out here for me this morning, so I don't have to go off the porch, but I will go refresh this water. There's my Stripey, who's been for a walk around the yard. He's got a cobweb in his head that I need to fix. Here's nighttime. Hi, baby girl. Marty felt good enough to play with a toy this morning in the bathroom, didn't you? Yeah. You did. Hi. And there's midnight. There's Morris. He's been put outside. We're going to hit 39, 40 degrees today. He seems really perplexed about the snow. I put Stripe out, who was sleeping in the house. So Stripe could help let him know, you know, he's just at his home. Dawn and I watched him. He did seem really confused. Okay. Well, there's nothing better than a Stripe. Stripe wasn't able to help him in the bathroom because he was so upset. You know, he didn't know what to do. And his dry chow's under the bench there. I'll move the wet food out in a minute. I don't want to run him off by coming near him right now, though. Hi, buddy. Oh, you went back inside? That would be funny. That would be funny. You go get on your heating pad or something. I wanted to keep you in for another hour, but you were so distressed I couldn't do that to you. In an hour, it'll be above freezing. I got the Valentine's Day garland on my tree, and I'm hanging the ornaments now and put the 3D things on. So basically, I'm doing. So Don's verified that we haven't had a power failure, and the heat pads are all still on.
That's right. So it's funny. I was out there, and the way he was acting, he'd walk up to the edge of the snow and turn around and walk all across, back and forth across the boardwalk. So the outdoor cat, the one that lives outside, he's scared of the snow.
Well, it's not like we have snow all the time, but it is actually kind of funny.
Yeah.
He's literally confined to the areas Dawn blew.
That's right. I mean, there's kitty paw pats all over the snow.
Well, from Stripe.
Stripe, yeah. But this cat won't go in the snow.
That's right. Poor guy. He's not acting any calmer outside than he was in the house. And as a matter of fact, his face has been in the door not once, but twice.
That's right.
Oh, I'll keep an eye on him. It's not really too cold. He just doesn't know what to do about the snow. He'll figure it out. Stripe will figure it out. Help him figure. Marty's out there right now, too. Marty wanted to go. Don's going to take that litter box back to the garage. But Morris was, he didn't want to scare Morris, and Morris was between him and the garage. So, God forbid we would have to go out in the snow. Poor boy, I feel for him. Well, instead of going to the gym, I suggested we work on the driveway. I'm going to try to build a snowman. In the sun, it's a little melty, so it's sticking together a bit. In the shade, it's still just like powder. Looks like there's still a coat of ice underneath the part that Dawn is scraping, but, you know, you do what you can do. We got mail in the mailbox, so he'll get out to the street and get the mail. And shovel as he goes.
They are the snow family, snow person family. And my girl, she's the ace snow person builder. And you got to look at this cute little guy that she did. Look at this little guy, this little penguin. Isn't that just precious?
He's cute.
Yeah, she did great.
We don't like the mouth on the snow woman, but I don't have a better mouth. So 3D printer to the rescue.
That's right.
I'll look at least.
Yeah, I really like the hat on the guy. And the hat on her is okay. But that's a primo hat.
guardian angel.
Yeah. Way to go. You did good, girl. You did great.
All right, now we've had snow.
Yeah.
Now
we
it's been
official.
another year. Now we're good.
Now look, seriously, this is in the shade. This gets no sun here, not one drop. This could be here till 1st of March.
I don't know that it'll be that long, but it'll be longer than if I'd stuck it in the sun
Right.
over there.
Yeah,
And,
we usually build it over there, and
it's a better picture in the sun,
Yeah.
but they'll stay here and I'll enjoy them over here longer. So.
Yeah, that's right.
All right.
So we put on 14.2.2.4 or 2025.45.9. I think it's just little fixes, but I'm not sure. Usually it says minor improvements or bug fixes, and this time it's just like, you know, it's a restatement of all the stuff that we got when we got 14. We'll let you know if we notice any differences. We're just headed up to South Park for a little drive. So now that we, you know, the driveway's all good to go. You can see that the main road here is dry. There was a little slush one spot in the neighborhood. And this is not bad at all.
I agree.
I'm gonna go tomorrow. I wouldn't want to be out there at 6 o'clock in the morning, but by the time I leave at 10:30 and the sun's coming up, that should be pretty good. Today we got to freezing by 11. We had rebounded, and tonight won't even be as cold, so hopefully we'll be above freezing even earlier in the morning. Yeah, well, our yard, I mean, look over here on the grass and everything. Our yard can give you a misinterpretation of, you know, slow melting. We've got a lot more snow left. Anywhere where there's shade, down there you see it, but anywhere it's out in the sunshine, it's very melted already. Yeah. We're over here at the environmental park now, and I tried to put in the latitude and longitude of the mailbox that Google Maps had given me, and the only one that even remotely makes sense is 1.3 miles from here for Fuquay. That matches that. I mean, I don't understand how there can be more than one, because there's a latitude and longitude is a unique point on a map. It's not, and this is correct. This has got 35.562973. It's, it's got 6 digits. It's not, short. It's long. It's very precise. It's a long number. It's got detail to it. But anyway, this tries to take us to Academy Street. And so I'm not having any luck with those Google location codes or even latitude and longitude of putting in the car where we are on the map. But we can try this shortened thing from the other day, but it was not very good. The previous mailbox stopped us over here today. Yes, last time it was over there. I set it by the flag on the driveway, but here would be acceptable. It's a little farther than I want to walk to the mailbox when I'm just coming in and trying to get in with, just trying to get to the house and want to grab the mail real quick, but
I could live with that.
I know we're rural and all, but you would think we could sort this out with the mailbox. Really, you would think. Yeah. Odd's excited.
That's what I want for my birthday, right there. Wow.
Todd's got a birthday card. It's just a few days before his birthday. Yeah. Perfect timing.
It's not about the cake or the candle. It's not even about the day. It's about you.
Oh, I thought I was going to say it's about the cake.
Yeah, what a great guy you are, and how much you mean, not just on your birthday, but every day.
Oh,
isn't that sweet? Wishing you another good year. Isn't that sweet?
It is sweet.
Hopefully you will get some ice cream.
Ice cream.
Well, I tell you, ice cream and that, I could be in heaven.
We'll arrange something, if not like on the actual birthday, on the weekend.
Yeah. Michelle, Adam. Oh, that's so sweet.
That is sweet. Dinner just a smidge early tonight. I'll do Lego after. I think this is a piece of butcher box meat, and
I think it's tri-tip is what it was, or sirloin cap they call it sometimes. Similar thing. It turned out nice this time, not overcooked.
I'm going to do bag 7 of the police station donut shop newspaper stand. It starts the 2nd floor, so I don't need what I've done so far. I just need to start building. And it does a good bit of it, I might say. So, I don't know if I'll do 8 tonight or not, but I'm definitely doing 7.
Well, there it is. There's an area for taking mug shots. It's got a camera and the little backdrop screen. And then over here, we've got a record player and a cot, a bed. This must be where the guy on duty sleeps if he's not working, not busy.
But you didn't know this if you haven't built a lot of Lego modulars, but a lot of the buildings have built-in fire escapes, including this one, I have to say. And I wasn't worried about it not fitting properly because after all, this is a Lego official set versus a mock where I built the floor with the pieces that I had. But just verifying before I proceed, it absolutely does fit. And I guess tomorrow I'll start on bag, what is it, 8? Yep, I'll start on bag 8 tomorrow.